Hello mga ka-amazing, and I'm with my guest, Sir Richard. And then we will take him to the bomb car. Okay, let's go, Sir Richard. So mga ka-amazing, pala kami sa bomb car, no? Masakay mi. Yeah, masakay. Kaya, kabalo mo na siya. Ako nang inan, mga ako tayo mo drive. Later! Yay! Ginoo ko. Ikabuhi ko sa saging English, mga ka-amazing. Sir Richard! Wave your hand! Wave your hand! Welcome to the Philippines! The train?
Yeah, I wanted to see.
Okay! Slowly, slowly, step up your feet. Your feet, step up. Okay, careful, careful. Careful.
Oh yeah.
Careful. Okay, you step down, slowly. You step down, no, careful, careful. Step down your feet. Oh, very good. Yeah, a little spot. Okay, we will go back to your wheelchair. And then we will go again to the train ride.
All right, great.
Okay.
All the places I regularly go.
Careful, careful, careful. Careful.
Science.
Careful. Oops.
Yeah, you.
And then your feet. Okay. We will go to
Train.
the train.
Like amazing. Thank you very much.
So mabalik do ko na sa kuan, mga ka-amazing. Lakbay Pinas kay mo iyang pinakaganahan daw nga mosakay sa train and mag-tour sa Philippines. Da. Yan yung request. Philippines. So Lakbay Pinas hindi yang gusto. Bike mi dito. May gipaningot may mga ka-amazing ako laban na kay guest la gilid siya timanon. Need po siya serbisyuhan. Okay? Kaso lang si Tusik muli na siya alas 5 kung mabilin ani. Oh my god. Laban lang.
Get a video of this thing.
Slowly and carefully. Very good. And you walk there.
Doon sa ko assist doon pag-abre, pagbutang. Sige na. May kaan man yung padala sa...
Carefully and slowly.
Covered.
Wala ako doon.
Ang pamilyaan.
Mayroong tabang, way. Sunod.
Oh, what's that?
It's the roller coaster.
All right. Next.
And then turn to your left. Right, I mean. Right. Sabi dito dito.
Sige sa sir.
Sabay dito sa kanya. You hold to me. Hold to me. And slowly, carefully. Oh, you move here. You move here. Your right, sir.
Right.
Careful, careful. Hinay-hinay. You step your feet up.
Right.
Okay. Slowly, slowly, slowly. And then you sit down slowly. Slowly sit down. Okay. Pilin mo sabay rin. Sige. So I will be riding the other one, okay?
Okay. You don't sit here. I don't know.
It's not.
Big enough.
Oh, it's big enough.
Sa blue ka sir.
Sige.
Sige, go.
Yay!
Oh,
We
you're
will
over
turn
there.
around. Air balloon. Okay, that's balloon, sir. This is hot air balloon.
Dahil nagsaka na to.
Raise your hand, sir. Raise your hand. You can take video.
Asan yung manghod, oh? Asan yung manghod?
This is Wonderfly.
Asan yung manghod?
You see, Wonderfly.
Where's hot air balloon? Where's that?
This is hot air balloon, the small one. Oh my gosh, we're finding another balloon. This is hot air balloon, the small one version. Sir. Wonderfly. Wonderful. Very good. You're following me. Balik karo.